guys, it's Miss Castor. Go ahead and get out your Cornell notes and set it up like this. Make sure that they are titled 10.1 Systems of Equations Graphing. That's what we are going to be focusing on with this video, is the graphing. Make sure if you have any questions throughout the video, you put those over here to the left. Okay, so a system of linear equations is a set of two or more linear equations. A solution of a system is an ordered pair that makes both equations true. So what I want you to do is just sketch this graph right here. You don't have to put all the little boxes. You can just do your x and your y axis. And then you can use a pencil and a pen. I'm going to use two different colors here. So I'm going to use blue for this one, and I'm going to use green for this one. So for my blue equation, I've got y equals 2/3 x plus 4. So my y-intercept is this positive 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll go ahead and plot that. And then I have a slope of 2/3. So I have my rise over my run. So I'm going to rise 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, I'm going to rise 2, 1, 2, run 3, 1, 2, 3. And then I want at least 1 or 2 points in the opposite direction as well. So I'm going to rise 2 in a negative direction, 1, 2, and then run in a negative direction, 3, 1, 2, 3, right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and go one more. And then I'm going to go ahead and graph my line. It's going to be about like this. Okay, so now I've got green. I'm going to do my green line over here. Got y equals negative 2x minus 4. So my y-intercept is negative 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And plot that point. And then my slope is negative 2 over 1. So if I go down 2 over 1, I'm going to go in the other direction, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Here I have a point for my blue line and a point now for my green line. I'm going to go ahead and graph my green line. So at this point where they share an ordered pair, this is the solution. So this right here is my solution to my system of linear equations. So with these two equations, they have an ordered pair that makes both of the equations true at this point right here. This point is negative 3, positive 2. So this is where both of these equations are true. They have the same x and y at one point, and that is my solution. So on a graph of both equations, the solution is where the lines intersect. You need to make sure you have 1, 2, and 3 written down, as well as a sketch of this graph with the equations also. Okay, so now that you have all of this, if you need to, pause it so that you have all this information. Go ahead and do that at this time. And then do this one on your own. Again, you can use pencil and pen, or you can use two different colors. So pause the video, go ahead and graph these two lines. Find your solution, which is where the lines intersect, and then move on once you're done. Okay, so you should have just completed that last one on your own. Now we're going to do this one together. So I'm going to use, again, blue and green. So for my blue equation, this is already in slope-intercept form. So it's really easy for me to find my y-intercept, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right here. And then my slope is negative 3 over 1. So down 1, 2, 3 to the right 1, down 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. and to the left one, and graph my line right here. Okay? Now with this second equation, this is not in slope-intercept form, but it's really easy for us to just change that into slope-intercept form. So I've got 3x plus y equals -2. Simple math. Y is equal to -3x minus 2. So now my y-intercept is -2, 1, 2, right here. And then my slope is -3 over 1. So I go down 1, 2, 3 over 1, down 1, 2, 3 over 1. I go up 1, 2, 3 to the left 1, and 1, 2, 3 to the left 1. What do you notice? I hope that you notice that they have the same slope, and these are parallel lines. So my solution is I don't have one. There is no solution to this system because they will never intersect each other. Okay, make sure you have all of this information written down in your notes as well. I want you to try to do this one on your own. You will need to change this, make one little change for that one, and then this one is already in slope-intercept form. It's already ready to go for you to graph, and then I want you to answer these two questions. What do you think the solution will be? It's okay if you don't know the correct answer for the solution, that's fine. I want you to come to class with what you think the solution will be and what do you notice about the two lines. So answer these two questions about the graph. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want you to bring your thoughts and your observations with you to class. Once you have that completed, email me if you have any questions or anything, but I will see you in class.